My hair is finally starting to listen to me. It's listening to my soul, to my mind, to my heart. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you part 2 of my natural hair wash day routine. I'll be showing you how I went from this to this using perm rods. I have not used perm rods since I had a perm ages ago. Well, not ages ago, that was like some years ago. I'll be showing you exactly what I did, the products that I used. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I create a video. Let's get started. I'll be using the Main Choice 4-Way Conditioner as my leave-in. Now the bottle says you can use it as a co-wash, a leave-in, a detangler, or you can rinse it out. The fine print on the bottle also says you can use it as a pre-poo. So I guess that actually makes it a 5-way conditioner, but regardless, I really do like this conditioner. It has great slip, it makes my hair very soft, and it has a nice smell. The smell, it says, is Japanese cherry and chia seed. I'm using the Camille Rose Almond Jai Twisting Butter. Now this is my first time actually trying this product. It has sweet almond milk and honey inside. It's supposed to nourish and elongate your tresses. That's what the jar says. In the past, butters actually by themselves have not worked for me, so we'll see what this one does. There's lots of natural hair girls that say this butter worked for them, so I figured I would give it a try. I have no idea how it's going to tame this hair, but I'm going to give it a try. I love to give new products an opportunity to be great. So for this look, I'll be using perm rods for the ends of my hair because I want to achieve a super duper curly look for my flat twist. Plus, every now and then I find that one section of my hair still has some heat damage, so I figured I may as well put perm rods on the end of each twist. Now, when I was looking for these perm rods, I could not find these in any of the beauty supply stores near me, so I ordered them online and they came in multiple sizes and colors, which is great. And if you want to try these babies on your own hair, which I do recommend, I will leave a link in the description box below. Another thing is that these perm rods actually came packaged in a Ziploc bag, and that makes cleanup super nice and storage very easy. As you can see, I am almost done with my flat twist. I'm just continuing to apply the Camille Rose Almond Jai Twisting Butter on each section of my hair, then flat twisting it snugly in the direction that I want my hair to lay once it's styled. Now, my hair was also towel dried when I started applying the buttercream, so it was not soaking wet. The jar says that you can use this butter on dry or wet hair, so I went for damp hair. And so now that I'm all done with twisting my hair, I'm going to let it air dry overnight, and I will be back tomorrow to let you guys see the results. Okay, so it is actually the next evening. I left the rods in a little longer as I wanted to make sure my hair was dry for real, because I have been deceived one too many times by a flat twist. So I'm just going to take my rods out and then untwist my flat twist like always. So I did apply a little bit of the grapeseed oil that I love to my fingertips just before unraveling my twist to prevent any frizz. So my hair actually feels really nice. It's not too oily. It doesn't feel heavy as I'm unraveling it. So unraveling it is pretty easy. I'm going to take my time doing this step because this is a very, very fragile process. What I'm most happy about is the moisture level that my twists have. Like, look at that bouncy, juicy twist. Yes, for the moisture. What I'm doing differently this time is that I'm not separating the ends of my hair. I'm just separating the roots and the middle of my hair so that I will have a very full and voluminous look. Now I'm just lifting my hair at the roots with a pick to give it a little bit more height and volume because I want big hair. I'm just taming my edges, gotta make those edges lay down so you look all neat. This is the final look. These perm rods and that Camille Rose almond joy twisting butter did the dang on thing. Yes, I love my hair. Who knew perm rods could do this to my hair? So guys, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought and subscribe to my channel. Like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Like honestly, who knew?